What's the meaning of Beecham's pills? Beecham's pills. Beecham's pills.
Beecham's pills. Beecham's pills. Beecham's pills were a popular brand of patent medicine in the United Kingdom during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. They were marketed as a cure-all for a range of ailments, including indigestion, constipation, and headaches. The pills were developed by Thomas Beecham, a self-taught pharmacist who started selling them from a stall in St. Helens, Lancashire in 1859. Over time, the pills became a household name and were widely advertised through newspapers, posters, and even on the side of trams. However, their effectiveness was often questioned, and they were eventually withdrawn from sale in the UK in 2003.